Just the extent of the destruction caused by the rain. So this is what it is. These are the ruins of Tuesday's rains here at Kanishi. You know, the roads completely destroyed. Vehicles were washed away. At least 3 or 4 vehicles I have seen so far were washed, you know, up until this point, taken over completely by the floodwaters. And there are tow vehicles that are here at the moment to, you know, clear the broken down vehicles. And so I will just get closer a bit so we see. There you have it. Some of the interpreters are trying to fix, you know, the vehicle which has its windscreen damaged. Yeah, as you can see, terrible devastation if you ask me. So they are trying to get the vehicle onto the tow car or truck so it is moved from here. So here you have it. The rains, impact of the rains here. The police is here. I've seen some NADMO officials here. I've seen some fire officials here as well. Let me just take a quick tour just around so you see traffic lights even broken down. You can see this traffic lights completely broken down. And so yeah, this is what it is here at Kanishi. Many of the traders
Beba so na ano nya den sa nti me du Kanishi na hu se ano aye den nti me pe ba bia parke e ho na me hu se isu no store e ba nti me ba mani mu na aka ma be parke wo ba bia ba sa kese no fa me do na wa yiri na me se oni me nyina car no mo pavement no so kaka ti we an se isu no de car ne ko ma twi handbrake wo car no ma be wo se handbrake na isi so no still e ko e ten nti eduru ba bia light traffic light no no na me hu se baby e ko ne ya ko deep ana me see nti so no de dame ha na me choko dade no me yire dade no ana me flow traffic light no me choko traffic light no na me gina dade no so within by 2 hours nti so no ko form na me flow ko gina baby a abanso no baby a omo gina nti so no ko form na me hu se ka na be sha na me de mama ho kra goze de me ho aye no na me fa ka ko fi goze sa me ho me ba ya me dia be hu baby a ka ni si cars be 6 credit manimu a na omo so omo ba ko no pa me ho a obeto form wa hai ena anwia kan de opa me no obegina manim enti car na isiwo no e be sha ase obe sha car na ase ndo sha ase sa no na adwadi form ma bi wom ena omo pie fa mu kotena dia da anwia car na pampam enti so no tie no mu nyina